is there any specific difference between the two professional cultures if you talk about India and London?
Both have different cultures, and both the cultures are very beautiful. There are, anywhere you go, there will always be positives and negatives, right? The grass is always greener on the other side, right? India mein rehte hai to hame lagta hai, all the other countries are very good. When we go there, then we feel, in my country, this was better. So grass is really never greener on the other side, but grass is green and greener wherever you decide to water and nurture.
What a thought, wonderful thought.
Right.
Perhaps that having settled in a city like London, that too working in a very good MNCs, and coming back to India and that too in tier 2 city. So is it not easy call? I feel so. So how did you take this call?
Okay, I can then probably break this actually to one or two more steps. So I still remember our regional head in my farewell. In his speech, his first statement was, she's the first person I know who said, I'm going back to India, and is actually going back. One moment, after I came back to India almost 6 years later, for a moment, I felt I was an outsider. We had not sort of really decided some of the things, you had to leave it for the time to help you to take decisions. But after about this 6 years' time, we had started to feel very comfortable. When I came back to India, for a moment, I felt a little that, the India that I had left is now so different, but in a positive way, right? I mean, the India is sort of growing and developing at such an incredible pace that when I came back, India had already sort of taken so many leaps, which was brilliant to see. And my thought at that time was that, wow, I have made the right choice. And mind you, it was not an easy decision to actually leave London for me and my spouse to think that, okay, we'll go back to India, and that too, and we are coming back to India because our families were here, parents were here. But again, if you think about it this way, what made me feel so proud was, India with, while it is becoming one of the largest economy, it has this vast, one of the largest populations, diverse geography. So our challenges are not less, but keeping all of these challenges and the complexities into the consideration, we are still doing well, and we are trying to do everything new and evolving as we need to.
What a thought.
So